there, artisans! Welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. So today I want to welcome you to our third perfume project, and this is the result of the painting from the perfume project, and our third episode is about the number 5 Chanel. So as I want to continue with this painting, I want you to hang around with me, and if you are a member here, you can get the rough cut of this video in an instructional mode where you can only hear my voice and the process where I will actually show you how I created this. And for you that are not members here, you can just see a past video pace of this tutorial where you still can also get some ideas on how I created this project. And for today, I actually used different kinds of brushes just to establish all these kinds of information here. And here are the detailing brushes that I use. I have the sword brush and I have the line detailing brush, and these are soft brush made of hair. And for each and every one of you who do not have any idea on how to use watercolor pens like this one, you can actually just watch this video. There's a big differences between these pens to these watercolor brushes. I don't want to steal your time, so let's get along. know about this No.5 Chanel. Chanel No.5. So this is not only very expensive but also extremely popular perfumes from the famous Coco Chanel. These perfumes are adored by both ordinary women and celebrities and elites. Despite the impressive high cost, around $1,850 per bottle, every 30 seconds somewhere in the world, a bottle of these truly legendary perfumes is sold. And I want to get to know what's inside the bottle. So, perhaps the most famous brand in the perfume industry, Chanel, created this amazing scent in 1921. I wasn't even born yet. So it has become a treasure that is sought after by fragrance collectors and perfume connoisseurs. This feminine fragrance exudes the smell of fresh abstract flowers. It is packaged attractively in a masterly piece of artwork. In 1921, Coco Chanel wished to create a unique perfume that cannot be copied. Designer Ernest Bew obliged her by using expensive ingredients of that time such as superior ilang-ilang, rose de mai, and jasmine from grass. The fragrance was then enhanced with its signature feature, which is a 1% overdose of aliphatic aldehydes, a chemical that improves scent. So that's the information that I got from the internet about Chanel, which is grand extract of $4,200 per ounce, and we cannot afford that. My oh my. But can you tell me what are your perfumes that you really like? Comment it below. And have you found any perfumes that have a beautiful design? Probably you can recommend one or a few more, and we'll try to draw them if you have any recommendations. So that's what we know about Chanel No.5.
the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you send it a mission. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.